When using a smartphone, it could be reliable, but it has its flaws. A single drop of water or sweat can compromise with the screen and the usability of the user. This project will focus on gesture-based navigational system, which will enable the user to use their smartphone in inclement weather, which can serve as an alternative way to navigate the smartphone. After deciding on the project, we felt that we needed some more information regarding the target group, so we did some preliminary observation and interviews in order to understand them better. Afterwards, we began meta-analysis of UX design, sensors, and theories regarding usability and learning curves to better cement the target group and create a list of functional and non-functional requirements as well as a final problem statement. How can a gesture-based navigational system for the smartphone's user interface be designed for use in inclement weather conditions that compromises the usability of touch?
After this, we began designing and made various sketches illustrating what the application should actually look like. Meanwhile, some of us worked on implementing the application. Later on, other crew members joined in. Our prototype works by first opening the application, which brings us into the main menu. Here you can select between the Start, Tutorial and Settings options. The navigation itself functions by utilizing the accelerometer and consists of two parts. The first being a cursor that moves in the direction of wherever the user is currently tilting their phone. In order to select an object, the user simply clicks the volume down button while the cursor is hovering over an object. The second mode is a scroll mode that allows the user to scroll up and down. This is particularly useful in applications such as Facebook. The user simply has to press the volume up button in order to change from select mode to scroll mode and vice versa.
We tested this app on ordinary people in the heart of Copenhagen in order to see their reactions and get some valid feedback on the prototype itself. This feedback was later transformed into readable illustrated data with help from programs such as Excel and NVivo. From this data we discussed and concluded that gesture-based navigational system has the potential to be an alternative to touch, especially in inclement weather situations. We can also conclude that the prototype validates the concept and has given reasonable cause to further pursue test and research into the matter.